Hi guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 4 minus 2 parenthesis 4 minus 2. So how can we find the value of this expression? Firstly, we can all know about PEMDAS, where P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. In PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly, we can solve here parentheses. So 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So in next step, 4 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 and 4 cancel with each other, and the final answer of this expression is 0. Guys, if anywhere you can face any issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Thanks a lot.